Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to you, wherever you are in the world. And today we're going to talk about I.C.A.R.U.S Labs, and I'm going to take the time to share with you exactly what we do, who we are as a company, and where we are heading. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what I want to say, my name is Anderson Chester, and of course, before I jump in, I'm going to talk about what we do as a company. We actually build the best AI bots for the financial world, okay? Now, today, as I'm speaking to you, a lot of topics are about the SEC. And for those of you who understand what the SEC is, congratulations. But for those of you who do not understand what the SEC is, it's simply the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Okay. This is a very integral part of the watchdog process in the United States of America. And of course, I say the world because the U.S. Is really one of the dominant figures when it comes to analyzing the world in the space of money laundering and fraudulent activity. So the SEC, ladies and gentlemen, is a watchdog, and it's a very, very important subject with regards to the topic we are discussing, because today we're going to talk about money, and anyone involved in the money service business, it's important to be registered with the SEC and to be monitored by the SEC. But let me jump into what we actually do before I speak about the SEC, because our mission is to protect investors, maintain fair, orderly, and efficient markets, and of course, facilitate capital formation. Now, ladies and gentlemen, our vision is to promote capital markets that inspire public confidence and provide a diverse array of financial opportunities to retail and institutional investors, entrepreneurs, public companies, and other market participants. Now, our values, ladies and gentlemen, are integrity, excellence, accountability, teamwork, fairness, and effectiveness. Now, let me continue with the topic of the SEC because this is very, very important. And I'm sharing with you these things because as you look at the company, whether you're looking at this video for the first time or you're looking at it because a friend referred it to you and you're looking for a business opportunity, it's important to look at these areas because, you know, in the last couple of years, we have seen so many companies go up in smoke with the funds of persons. And today, ladies and gentlemen, we are not going to take or stand by and look and see that happen to you. So from an SEC perspective, let's look at a couple of articles and press releases. As a matter of fact, what you can see here on the screen is the SEC charges 5 unregistered brokers. And as a matter of fact, 4 companies, this is very important, in widespread pre-IPO fraud schemes. And of course, if you know about IPOs, which is initial profit offerings and stuff like that, ladies and gentlemen, the SEC looks over these things. Of course, the SEC announces enforcement results for fiscal year 2023, which is last year. As a matter of fact, you know, they're, you know, always doing things to upgrade the system in such a way that we as investors are protected. Of course, SEC charges Ripple and 2 executives with conducting $13 billion in unregistered securities offering. Of course, Ripple must share financial statements requested by the SEC, the court rules. Again, the SEC is a very, very major player in the financial world in terms of maintaining balance. And of course, having the opportunity to work with the SEC, it means that you can get some type of redress in the event that you lose money. As a matter of fact, ladies and gentlemen, SEC sues biggest names in the crypto space, Binance and Coinbase, in double whammy for the sector. So the SEC is serious business. Of course, it's very important to know that our company, I.C.A.R.U.S Labs, is registered with the SEC. If you go online to the SEC's website, you're going to see our company, I.C.A.R.U.S Labs Limited. Now, this is very good because a lot of people, you know, would like to feel that level of security. And we as a company provide a lot of security. We take security of your funds as a major priority. So you can go online yourself, look at it on the SEC website, which is the Securities and Exchange Commission out of the United States of America. And of course, you can see with regards to our registration, we are in the city of Denver, Colorado. That's where the registration is out of. So of course, we can operate in the US market. Now, with that being said, if you want to find out more about the I.C.A.R.U.S Labs on the international media, you can see where we are covered: Yahoo Finance, the Business Insider, of course, Tech Bullion, Disrupt, and of course, DH, which is all independent articles written about our company all over the world. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you might be asking, what is I.C.A.R.U.S? Now, it's an acronym. I stands for innovation. So I.C.A.R.U.S Labs embodies innovation in its core philosophy, because we are, what should I say, a cutting edge technology company. C is for currency. And currency in the context of I.C.A.R.U.S Labs refer to its focus on financial markets. A for algorithm, and the development of autonomous bots at I.C.A.R.U.S Labs improves sophisticated algorithms. So everything we do is automated. And of course, R is for research. Research is the cornerstone of I.C.A.R.U.S Labs approach. U, understanding. Understanding is the key aspect of I.C.A.R.U.S Labs ethos. Now, it's important to understand. S is for system. The mention of system in I.C.A.R.U.S stands for the comprehensive approach. Now, guys, this is the acronym for I.C.A.R.U.S. It's very, very important that we, try to describe it so you guys can understand what I.C.A.R.U.S stands for. Now, AI is a big deal in the world today, and you all know artificial intelligence is something not to take for granted. Now, our mission at the I.C.A.R.U.S Labs is to revolutionize autonomous trading in the financial world by pushing the boundaries of innovation while prioritizing security. Now, we are committed to providing the best AI bots that seamlessly integrate cutting-edge technology, advanced algorithms, and meticulous research or to navigate dynamic markets and redefine the trading landscape. So, ladies and gentlemen, when it comes to artificial intelligence, we utilize this system so that we can benefit on the financial markets. Now, it's very important to understand, because some people say to me all the time, Chester, why I.C.A.R.U.S Labs? One is we provide cutting edge technology. We are on the cutting edge. Security is a major priority in our company. We have a diverse product range, okay? We have advanced algorithms, continuous learning, and evolution, and of course, controlled technology deployment. So all of these are key points as to why you should consider I.C.A.R.U.S Labs. The more you hear about it, the more you'll understand it, okay? Now, our management team, we're going to talk about our CEO, Mr. Adam Claremont. As a matter of fact, this gentleman is a visionary leader at the forefront of autonomous trading innovation, with a strong commitment to blending cutting-edge technology with secure solutions. And of course, I.C.A.R.U.S Labs was started by this gentleman, and he has steered this company to become a pioneering force in the financial world. Of course, Adam's emphasis on security is evident in I.C.A.R.U.S Labs' robust security measures and stop-loss protocols, ensuring transaction integrity in the ever-evolving landscape of financial markets. So leading I.C.A.R.U.S Labs, Mr. Adam Claremont possesses a key understanding of the perils linked to unchecked ambition. Of course, Adam reconstructs the I.C.A.R.U.S myth by emphasizing advancement while ensuring the security of financial transactions. This is absolutely important in today's world. Now, if you look at the company at a glance, you'll understand, one, we provide a platform to utilize users' funds by using AI and automated bots to analyze the financial markets. And as a matter of fact, we introduce or we provide high returns using our AI bots. We create stable, consistent, and high returns for persons. This is what people want, actually. We are very transparent because we provide reports and trade data. And of course, we publish this for your viewing. Of course, when we speak low risk with continuous machine learning and pattern recognition, we mitigate the risk of loss. And of course, in the trading world, you always have losses, but we mitigate, okay? We mitigate the loss as much as we can because of the continuous research and development, okay? Now, this is very, very important. Now, let's look at the bots, because we talk AI, we speak about artificial intelligence, we speak about bots. We have three bots, the Zeta, the NYX, and the Atlas Grid. Now, ladies and gentlemen, all of these function in a different capacity, and the Zeta is very important when it comes to your precision partner in high-frequency trading. So this is what we do. We focus on high-frequency trading, and this bot unleashed the power of precision, okay? As a matter of fact, your ultimate high-frequency scalping bot crafted actually for both Forex and crypto markets. Now, the Zeta operates with the finesse of a mathematician. I like the sound of that. Leveraging advanced statistical analysis and probability to execute lightning-fast well-informed trading decisions. In the ever-evolving landscape of financial markets, Zeta thrives on adaptability, ensuring it stays ahead in dynamic environments. This is a very important but experience the next level of trading with Zeta, where precision, adaptability, and continuous learning converge to redefine your trading journey. Now, let me give you some heads up with this bot and how it actually works with our micro strategies. We reevaluate the situation. It auto adjusts. Okay, so when we look at the strategies, when we do our evaluation, we auto adjust accordingly. And of course, this sets new parameters on a newly discovered data, of course, and then we execute to the point of winning nearly 100% of our trades. And of course, we scalp and earn profits. This is a continuous activity, day in, day out, several trades a day that's happening using our Zeta bot. Now, when we speak about this, we are speaking about the crypto market in particular, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, we have the Bitcoin momentum, which is the, you can do the assessment in terms of the growth you'd have seen utilizing the whole the amount of information that we actually have. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is high frequency trading. Okay. This bot performs best when there are large movements in the market. Micro strategies, AI, and big data, plus economical research and statistics. This helps us to reevaluate, okay, conditions to adopt new trading strategies on negative outcomes. Low profit margin, high trading volume. That's what we do. Our main objective at the end of the day is to improve win probability to nearly 100%. So this Zeta bot is very handy. I mean, you do not have to understand how to trade or anything like that. You just need to understand the bot knows what it is doing. Okay, so once you execute or implement your trades using this bot, you are in very good hands. Now we have the NYX, which is your AI-powered precision for high-frequency trading through three-way differential. Now, guys, at its core, the NYX employs a sophisticated three-way differential trading strategy. I cannot do one, or some of us cannot do one. Imagine the bot is doing three. Could you imagine? Seizing lucrative opportunities with surgical precision. Fueled by artificial intelligence, NYX adapts to market changes, ensuring success in every condition. Now, the NYX calculates trades profitability. This bot, listen to this carefully, operates 24/7 and transcends borders, providing data-driven insights globally. Now, as we say here at ICARUS Labs, join the future with NYX, where innovation meets opportunity. And this is very important. I love this bot, actually. Now, this is very, very simple. The process, as we said, is a three-way differential, triangular differential on exchange prices. What we do, we discover pairs in systems to profit differential, proceed with trade. If profit have surplus, after fees, trade proceed, okay? If these things are not happening, we do not trade, okay? So let me give you a quick example. The money changer, okay? 100, Singapore dollars or 75 US dollars, okay? The trade goes in one direction, the trade goes in another direction. You can turn your 75 US into 69 euros or 69 euros into SGD. You can decide however you want to do it. What we do with this, we win 100% of the times. As a matter of fact, that's the intention, okay? This is very, very important. And of course, as we say, it's a differential. So let me explain. This performs in all market conditions, okay? The NYX performs in all market conditions. The NYX takes advantage of price discrepancies in the token prices. The bot calculates every trading opportunity until a profitable trade is found. If there's a bot, total profit minus fees, it will trade. So, understand what I'm saying. If there's a profit, the total profit minus the fees, it will trade. If not, it will skip. If the bot is not seeing a profitability or a profitable approach, it will not trade. This is how powerful the NYX is. So literally, we go in for 100% win all the time with this once it executes a trade, okay? Very important. Now there we have the Atlas Grid. Of course, your grid trading maestro, unlocking market precision. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is a beautiful bot as well. The Atlas Grid harnesses cutting-edge grid trading strategies, deploying sophisticated algorithms that intelligently automate trades, seamlessly adapting to ever-changing market conditions. Now, the Atlas Grid ensures your portfolio's resilience through strategic conversation, provides real-time analysis for informed decision-making, and prioritizes security to safeguard your assets. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the Atlas Grid is not just a bot. It is your strategic ally in navigating the complexities of the financial world. Ladies and gentlemen, it is important to know that the Atlas Grid works, and it works in an amazing way. Now, guys, this is so simple. I'm going to share with you the process grid with the trading range and stuff like that. This, ladies and gentlemen, is very important. Whether it's the market is up or down, you can win using the Atlas Grid. So these are the three bots that we use: the Atlas Grid, the NYX, and of course the bot that we described. The first bot is very, very, very important that you understand what we do. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm very happy to explain this to you because a lot of times people don't understand how powerful the technology is. I mean, when you use the Zeta bot, for example, you may not have to beat the person trading or understand the trading market or understand the crypto market, but Zeta does, okay? The Atlas Grid does, the NYX does. And we utilize this bot. And as a matter of fact, these are the best bots on the market in reality, okay? So this makes you money, and we are very proud to speak about the company. Of course, you can analyze the markets in terms of utilizing the bots, and you can see the performance of the bots. And this is very, very, very important. Of course, the Atlas Grid performs best in sideways movement markets, okay? This is very important. You see, the slide I just showed you before, you can see the sideways movements. The Atlas Grid performs best in a situation like that. It profits when the market fluctuates within the grid range. Now, this is so powerful. The grid range and space is crucial when we are making decisions. Of course, this bot performs in any market condition. With the help of background data and statistics, our bots will always adjust to market conditions, unlike static bots. Again, you may not understand all of these things. I'm just sharing this with you guys so you can understand when you invest with ICARUS Labs, your investments are safe. And of course, we have the right technology to ensure that you make a profit. Excuse me. Now, how our campaign works, and this is very, very important, because we actually operate where we have a fund deployment bot, okay? So the fund deployment bot will study the bot performance and deploy funds effectively and ensure no idling of the funds, okay? So we have the three bots, the Zeta, the NYX, and the Atlas Grid, where funds are deployed in a specific way that they use the AI to manage. And of course, this is very good because we understand it's technology. So these guys deploy our funds, the funds goes to these bots, the bots work and create a profit for all our members around the world, okay? Of course, participants funding with USDT. Of course, participants purchase ICARUS Labs tickets. And of course, participants' pooled funds will be distributed to trading bots. That's how simple we operate, okay? ICARUS Labs will create profits from trading bots to participants' accounts, of course, and these will be stored in private blockchains. Of course, guaranteed profits to participants, and the profit surplus will be used to create ICARUS Labs ecosystems. This is how your funds are allocated from the beginning to the end. And we try to bring that transparency every time so you understand what happens when you fund your account. Again, this is why I'm so happy that we are registered with the SEC, because things like these are monitored, ladies and gentlemen. We don't play games, okay? So I'm very, very happy that you are on this call. And I'm just giving you a quick roadmap because, you know, the milestones that we have are very important to monitor. Of course, we started in 2023. We developed a prototype of the new bot and conducted extensive testing, okay? The intent was to collaborate with broker partnerships and licensing. preparation of launch of utility token, and continue, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, milestone number 2, of course, was successful results in the testing of, and this is the first quarter of 2024, which we are in, launch of AI bot Zeta, launch of AI bot NYX, launch of AI bot Atlas Grid, live trade real money on Zeta, NYX, Atlas Grid, and of course, create strategic partnership, of course, signing with a renowned company, a memorandum MOU of understanding, okay? Now, international media coverages in the third quarter. We want to do this, actually the second quarter. International media coverages, organizing seminars and events, initiate the development of a new bot, again in the second quarter, and explore strategic partnerships with platforms to create synergistic acquisitions. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are not just trading and people are not just making money, but this is a company with a vision. So I.C.A.R.U.S Labs, ladies and gentlemen, is a company with a vision. At the third quarter of 2024, we intend to develop a prototype of the new bot and conduct extensive testing, collaborate with broker partnerships and licensing, preparation of launch of utility token, continue, ladies and gentlemen, M&A opportunities. We intend to launch a brand new bot in 2025, ladies and gentlemen, launch of our own broker licensing, launch of utility token, and of course, we are moving into a whole new level. So guys, this company is preparing for the next couple of years, and we are working with them. Of course, in the tech market, you cannot always know where the world will go in the next 5 or 6 years because we live in a dynamic market that's ever changing. So of course, we don't have 5-year, 10-year exact roadmap where we'd like to be because of course, market conditions, especially in the digital space, tends to change a lot, okay? I want to thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for listening to me for a few minutes, explain what we actually do at I.C.A.R.U.S Labs. Do contact the person who sent you this video to find out how you can start, how you can fund your account, and start benefiting from our amazing platform. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy schedule. This is Anderson Chester saying goodbye. Thank you so much.